Okay, let's try and load this film. We're going to do a test run. So this is that Patterson tank. So you got to lay it all out. Pretend this is in a black bag, because that's how you load the film in. You got the reel, the Patterson tank. Okay, that's the lid, so you space it all out. That's the top of the lid, you don't really need that. So the tank, the reel, the top, the funnel bit, and then the film, scissors, and a bottle opener. This bit in the top bit, don't worry about that, you don't need it. That's only for agitating, so you can get rid of that. Alright, now what I'm going to do, Jerry, I'm going to go blind. I'm going to close my eyes. I've practiced a little bit, so I'm going to try and do it blindly. And I'll talk myself through it. Shut my eyes now. Okay, so this is the top of the film. So it's the other end that you want to pop open. So get your bottle opener. Now it'll probably be harder than that because this is a test roll that I got. The guy at the shop, I said, have you got any film that you've got laying around in the bin? Alright, so I'm taking it out. Alright, remember this is all in a bag. Alright, so first set yourself up. Where am I? Jerry, can you help me, Jerry? You can be my eyes. Now they say cut the corners. Don't worry about that. Now you've got to feel. You see the bits where you chuck it in there, these two bits, and then further up is the little silver ball that you got to get it past. So just feel for them. You see how you do that? You've got to get it there, together. So they're together, and then this is the tricky bit. I think I found it better if you put it on the floor. So you've got to feel for it there and there. Just feel. Keep going with it. Oh shit. Feel. Keep going. And I grab it this end because it's got to get past that silver balls. Jerry, silver balls. Okay, that should be past it now. And just feel around. Yeah, it's on the top layer. Shit, what happened? No, it's still good. Now at this point, I can let this go. It doesn't matter, you're in the bag. And now, you do the old shake. Shake. And turn. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Jerry, let's twist again like we did last summer. Hey, you cheeky girl. You still there, Jerry? Where's Spike? Spike's over there. I mean, I've only practiced 3 times, and it's not that hard. Just keep feeling for the bottom. Still there. And always just make sure, yeah, I always feel up the top just to say that it hasn't come out somewhere up here somewhere. And then get the scissors and bang, cut that. I don't want to cut it now because I want to use this again for practice. There's actually a bit of sticky tape there. Pretend I cutted it. Good English there, Jerry. And give it a couple of more turns. I mean, it doesn't really matter at this stage because it's all wound up anyway. And now, this black bit, you got to get that. That goes at the top, I think. You get the canister, so the black goes at the top, and then this bit, and then you got to listen for the click. That's it. Now you don't even have to put the top on top. Top on top, Jerry, because that is foolproof as it is, light proof as it is. But you might as well put it on anyway. And that's it. Jerry, I practiced about 3 times, and yeah, I got the hang of it really fast. So, like I said, the hardest part is getting it out. Now you can do it with the lip out. You got to buy that special tool that pulls it out. But one less tool to worry about. It's just as easier to do it like that. And then obviously now put the chemicals in and shake. I'll shoot some black and white and try out this Monobath in the next video. Jerry, you sleepy? Why are you sleeping? Yes, Jerry, you're always sleeping. Hmm?